Welcome to HomePantry Pro. Today, we are diving deep into a kitchen appliance that promises to revolutionize your rice cooking experience. We're talking about the CUCKOO CRP-MHTR0309F, a 3-cup twin-pressure induction heating rice cooker. If you're someone who appreciates perfectly cooked rice every single time, then stick around. This isn't just another rice cooker. CUCKOO has a reputation for quality, and this model aims to uphold that. Let's start by unpacking what this compact powerhouse actually brings to your countertop. One of the standout features is the sheer versatility in its cooking modes. You get 15 distinct menu options. That's right, 15. This isn't just for your basic white rice. We're talking about GABA brown rice, glutinous rice, white rice, and even specialized settings like scorched rice and high-pressure steam. For those who are health-conscious or enjoy experimenting with different rice textures, this range of options is incredibly appealing. The inclusion of settings for both stored rice and high-pressure steam suggests a level of control and flexibility that you don't find in most standard rice cookers. Now, let's talk about capacity. The CRP-MHTR0309F is a 3-cup uncooked rice cooker, which translates to about 6 cups of cooked rice. This is an ideal size for individuals, couples, or small families. It's large enough for everyday meals and even for small gatherings without being excessively bulky. If you're living in a smaller space or simply don't need a massive cooker, this 3-cup capacity is perfectly suited. The technology behind the cooking is where things get really interesting. This cooker employs induction heating, or IH. Unlike traditional rice cookers that heat from the bottom, IH technology surrounds the inner pot with heat. This results in more even cooking and significantly better heat distribution. The promise here is quicker cooking times and increased efficiency, which can be a real time saver on busy weeknights. Another key innovation is the dual cooking pressure selections. You can choose between high pressure and non-pressure cooking. Why is this important? High pressure is generally better for making rice more sticky and chewier, which is often preferred for certain dishes or types of rice like glutinous rice. Non-pressure cooking, on the other hand, tends to produce fluffier, lighter grains, ideal for your everyday white rice. Having this choice allows you to tailor the rice texture precisely to your liking, which is a premium feature. When you unbox this CUCKOO cooker, you'll find a few essential accessories to get you started. It includes a product manual, which is always helpful for understanding all those menu options, a rice spatula for serving, and a rice measuring cup to ensure you get the proportions just right. These are thoughtful additions that enhance the user experience right out of the box. Now, let's break down the pros and cons of the CUCKOO CRP-MHTR0309F. Pros. The extensive 15 menu options are a huge advantage, offering incredible versatility for various types of rice and cooking styles. The induction heating technology is a significant upgrade, promising faster and more even cooking. The dual pressure selection is another excellent feature, allowing you to customize rice texture for different preferences and dishes. The 3-cup capacity is perfect for smaller households, making it a space-efficient choice. Finally, CUCKOO's reputation for quality and durability instills confidence. Cons. For larger families or those who frequently cook for many people, the 3-cup capacity might be too small. While the 15 menus are fantastic, they can also be overwhelming for users who just want to cook simple white rice. The initial learning curve for mastering all the different settings could be a slight challenge for some. And, as with most advanced kitchen appliances, the price point might be higher than basic rice cookers. In conclusion, the CUCKOO CRP-MHTR0309F 3-cup twin-pressure induction heating rice cooker is a sophisticated and highly capable kitchen appliance. It's designed for those who value precision, versatility, and excellent results in their rice preparation. If you're looking to elevate your rice game and enjoy perfectly cooked rice with a range of textures, this CUCKOO cooker is definitely worth considering. It brings advanced technology and a wide array of features to a compact and user-friendly package, making it a strong contender in the premium rice cooker market. Link in the description.